begin with chanting of Omkar 3 times. Sairab. So we are discussing about treatment of goodwill. So we have already discussed the different conditions regarding treatment of goodwill. So basically we classified them in 4 categories. First condition we discussed that new partner brings his or her share of goodwill in cash or by check and it is privately paid to the old partners. In this condition, we don't have to pass any entry in the books of the firm. Okay. Second condition was that goodwill is brought by new partner in cash. So new partner brings goodwill in cash. So we have to pass the entry for bringing goodwill cash account debit to premium account or goodwill premium account. Second entry we have to pass for distribution that premium account debit to old partners capital accounts. These 2 entries are compulsory. And third entry that is for withdrawing goodwill premium by old partners that will be passed if old partners withdraw their share of goodwill. Old partners capital account debit to cash account. Third condition was there where new partner is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash. In that condition, we need to find out his share of goodwill, and with his share of goodwill, we have to pass an adjustment entry that is new partner's current account debit to old partner's capital accounts in their sacrificing ratio. And fourth condition is the mix of second and third one. That is some part of goodwill is brought in cash and other part is not brought in cash. So it is a mix. So we need to pass 3 entries for bringing goodwill premium, whatever amount is brought, cash account debit to premium account, for distribution and adjustments. We can mix 2 entries. So there we have 2 entries. Premium account debit for the amount brought in cash, new partner's current account debit for amount not brought in cash, and to capital account, to old partners capital accounts, that is total amount of premium. Okay, so this we can do. We have to pass these entries. Okay, in different conditions of premium. Okay, so let us begin with the topic. But I can see only 14 is the people including me. So 13 students are there. This situation is not good. Many of the students are not attending the class. I don't know why. Okay. Maybe that if this attendance will be considered by CBSE for a board, then many of you will be in trouble. है ना? अगर इसको CBSE 75% के क्राइटेरिया में लेके आ गया तो फिर बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगी. Later on they will not be fulfilling the criteria of attendance. Sairam. So you are in a board class and all rules are decided by CBSE. So till now the rule for board class attendance rule is that you must attend 75% of classes since the day classes begin, session begins. So if many of the students are not attending continuously for a long time, they may have a problem of attendance at a later stage. So it is better to attend the classes and make the recovery of your absenteeism, whatever you have and could not attend the classes. So try to attend. No. Sometimes someone may be absent because of some reason, but because lockdown is going on or markets are not as open as there is no freedom of moving from one place to the place. We all are at home, almost at home, so why should not we attend the class? ठीक है. So अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं हैं जो क्लास में नहीं है. Only 14 students are there out of 24. 10 students are not there. Some students are regularly not there. वन स्टूडेंट का नाम उसका साउ हो गया। इसमें आज विश्वास विकास नहीं है और शरद राय नहीं है और कौन है, संध्या राजपूत तो है, श्रेष्ठ यादव है और नियति फलक, दीपांशी अनुराग अस्था, हर्षी भी नहीं है, क्या नाम उसका, many students are not there। वो क्या नाम है उसका, साहू का नाम उसका था उसका, क्या नहीं,
नीरज।
साहू ले जा रहा है क्लास अटेंड करने, नीरज क्लास अटेंड करता है क्या?
सर अभी बीच में आना था।
बीच में आने से क्या होगा, उसको पता नहीं चल रहा क्या स्थिति उसकी, कितना पढ़ा है क्या नहीं पढ़ा, क्या किया। ओके,
बोल दूंगा उससे।
हाँ जी, विश्वास, विश्वास इज इन
सर मैं बोल दूंगा उससे।
उसे बोला मुझसे बात करे, आई वांट टू टॉक टू हिम, है ना? ठीक है, तो मुझसे बात कर ले 5 बजे के बाद।
यस सर।
क्लास कभी बात कर सकता, ठीक है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम
यस
तो
सर।
होता है, क्यों नहीं अटेंड कर रहा क्लास, है ना? दैट वी शुड नो।
ओके सर।
Okay, thank you, sir. Now let us begin with the class. Let me share the screen. अच्छा, सबके पास ये है ना बुक, है ना सबके पास? देखो वहाँ टीएस ग्रेवाल लेके बैठे ना सारे लोग।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me share the screen and we read only its whiteboard, nothing else from this Tata classes. We are reading its board only. So I want to create new. I want text and that is here. Okay. Now we will practice some problems from different situations of this treatment of goodwill. Then we will go for the next step, that is revaluation of assets, that already we have discussed. Again we will revise it in the next stage. So you can see this question number 18. Have you got it? A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. A new partner C is admitted. A gives 1/5 of his share and B gives 2/5 of his share in favor of C. For the purpose of C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at ₹75,000. C brings his share of goodwill in cash, which is retained in the business general idea of transactions. Okay. So in this question, it is a good question because you will learn one more thing, how to calculate new ratio and sacrificing ratio, है ना? Because C is have you got this question? मिल गया क्या आपको सबको? सही राम, have you got this?
Yes, sir.
So this is the question where two partners are there, A and B, and their profit sharing ratio, that is the old ratio, है ना? Old ratio is given, that is 3:2. A new partner C is admitted in the firm. Okay. But what is the share of C? That is not given. No, sorry. C share is not given. Only it is given that A will sacrifice, and A will give 1/5 of his share and B will give how much? 2/5 of his share to C. है ना? This is the condition. This is the question. If you don't have the book, you can note it. A and B are partners in the ratio of 3:2, है ना? And C is admitted. C's ratio is not given. What ratio he will get? So his share will be equal to the sacrifice made by A and sacrifice made by B. That will make the share of C. So let us find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Okay, so two partners are sacrificing for C. First one is the A. Let us see how much share it will be sacrificed by A. A's sacrifice is equal to A's sacrifice is equal to how much? A is sacrificing 1/5 of his share. So what is the share of A? A's share is 3/5 minus, sorry, into 3/5 into 1/5. No, of means into. Is it clear, Sairam?
Yes, sir.
So A will sacrifice 3/15, right? 3/5 into 1/5, 3/25 in favor of C. Okay, and B's sacrifice equal to, हम बाद में छोटा कर लेंगे, इसको अभी नहीं करें छोटा, भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. B's sacrifice is equal to, B's share is 2/5 and B is sacrificing 2/5 of his share into 2/5, है ना? B share is 2/5 and out of 2/5 he is sacrificing 2/5. Don't get confused कि B ने अपना पूरा share दे दिया, नहीं है, 2/5 का 2/5 दिया उसने. It means कितना 4/25 है ना, 4/25. So this you can get the sacrificing ratio तो मिल गया आपको, यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया. Sacrificing ratio क्या दिख रहा है आपको? What is the sacrifice of A? How much is the sacrifice of A? Sairam.
3/25.
3/25. And what is the sacrifice of B?
4/25.
4/25.
Sacrificing ratio 3:4. This is the sacrificing ratio. Is it clear? Sacrificing ratio.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now we have to find out C's share. C's share is equal to, C को आइए ना इसमें, कितना रही चल रही है इसकी. C's share is equal to sacrifice made by A and sacrifice made by B. If we will add the sacrifice of both of these two partners, then we will get the share of C. So that means is equal to A's sacrifice is 3/25 plus B's sacrifice is equal to 4/25. Okay, so is equal to, that is 7/25, है ना? C share is 7/25. Okay, ठीक है. वैसे हमको इस क्वेश्चन में न्यू रेशो की जरूरत नहीं है. We need only sacrificing ratio. So we have got it, but we can calculate new ratio also. निकाल सकते हैं. तो क्या आएगा? A's new ratio is equal to, what is the formula of new ratio? इसको नीचे कर देते हैं, बाद में कर लेंगे इसको, इस वाले को. ऐसे हटा देंगे. A's new ratio is equal to, will be 3/5 minus 3/25. 3/25. Okay. LCM will be 25 is equal to, will be कितना आएगा? 15 minus 3. ठीक है, is equal to 12/25. देख लेना चेक करके एक बार. ठीक है गए?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now 20 न्यू शेयर is equal to 2 by 5 minus 4 by 25. LCM will be 25. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 by 25. ठीक है. अब इस सी का तो हम निकाल चुके हैं. सी का कितना आ गया 7 by 25. सी शेयर भी ऑलरेडी रिटन. सी का शेयर होगा सेक्रीफाइस made by A and B, that is 3 by 25, and 4 by 25, that is 7 by 25. So new ratio will be 12 is to 6 is to 7. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Is it clear to all of you? Sairam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us come to the goodwill part, treatment of goodwill. So what is happening in this question? C is admitted as a new partner and C brings rupees, how much amount? Yeah, this. Nothing is given about, but firm's goodwill is given. Capital is not given. So let us first do what I said. First we need to find out firm's goodwill if not given. But here we are given firm's goodwill, and firm's goodwill is valued at rupees 75,000. This is the value of firm's goodwill, that is 75,000. Now we need to find out C's share of goodwill. C's share of goodwill is equal to how much amount for premium C has to bring. That will be 75,000 into what is the C's share? 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Okay, that means 21,000. Check it. Is it correct or not? This is the amount of premium C has to bring.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so C share is 7 by 25 that we have already calculated, and firm's goodwill is 75,000. So C shall brings 7 by 25 of 75,000. Now we have to pass the entries as it is given in the question that C is bringing his share of premium in cash. So we will pass the first entry, cash account debit. Cash account debit. To premium account or goodwill premium account. Being goodwill premium brought by C. Okay, so amount will be 21,000 and 21,000. This is the first entry. Is it clear? Cash account debit to to premium account. Second entry we need to pass for distribution of premium. So it will be premium account debit it will be shared among all old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So old partners are A and B. To A's capital account. To A's capital account and to B's capital account. being goodwill premium transferred to partners capital accounts, or being goodwill premium distributed. That also you can write goodwill premium transferred to partners capital accounts. Now this is the amount, how much amount of each partner will get. Premium आपको पता है premium is how much? Premium is 20. Premium is how much? That is, sorry, premium account debit 21,000. Amount of premium is 21,000. This is brought by C. How much A will get? How much B will get? So 21,000. It will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. So A will get how much? A share is equal to 21,000 into sacrificing ratio 3:4. This is the sacrificing ratio 3 by 7, 4 by 7. So A sacrifice is 3 by 7. That means A will get 7 will be 9,000. No. A will get 9,000 and B share is equal to 21,000 into 4 by 7. 4 by 7. That means 12,000. B will get 12,000. A will get 9,000 in their sacrificing ratio. So credit A's account by 9,000 and credit B's account by rupees 12,000. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Any problem to anyone in this question? Sai Ram. किसी को कोई परेशानी इसमें? ठीक है? Now let us take one more question. This is good question again, 20 number, question number 20. It is good for calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. No? Read this question I am reading, you find it out in your book. B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. I am writing along with reading. So the time can be saved. B and C are partners. In a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Where ratio of profit sharing is 3:1. D is admitted in the firm. D is admitted in the firm for 1/3 share. Okay. Now, what happened? B and C agreed to share future profits and losses equally. B and C decided will share future profits equally. This is the main thing. B and C will share future profits equally. Okay. And C brings, what that is not different thing. D brings rupees 15,000 for his premium. No. And that is all right. So we will pass the entry, no problem in passing the entries. But first let us understand this. First we need to calculate new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now 1 minus new partner share. No, 1 minus C share. And C share is 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to what is left? Sairam. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Sairam, are you there? Or all have left the class?
Sir, ये है.
Okay, so is it right? 1 minus new partner share. New partner is C. C share is how much? 1 by 3. You know, total share is 1 and C share is 1 by 3. So it is 2 by 3. You know?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 by 3 is the share for whom?
B and C.
Yes, good. It is the share for B and C. And what B and C have decided?
सर डी का शेयर है 1/4.
हाँ जी,
सर डी का शेयर 1/4 है.
D का शेयर 1 by 4 है। ऐसा
सर
क्या
1/3 है।
No, sir. No, sir. It's 1 by 3.
हाँ, मेरी ऊपर 1 by 3 देखो। ठीक है, ठीक है, इतना अभी क्लियर है। So they decided to share equally. So now that we will get the A's new share. What will be the A's new share? A's new share is equal to whatever is left. कितना बचा हमारे पास? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. It will be distributed among A and B. दो पार्टनर्स में बटेगा इक्वली, तो क्या करेंगे? Into 1 by 2. Are you understanding? This remaining share, that is 2 by 3, will be distributed equally between A and B. So A's new share will be 2 by 3 into 1 by
Share.
2. B is 2 by 6. है ना?
B और C।
अरे C का B कर लो यार, उसमें कोई बात नहीं, उसमें ये नहीं छोड़, ये छोड़ दिया उसको, ये तो है ही नहीं इसमें, है ना? B कर ले, ठीक है? ओके, अनुराग ठीक है? हाँ,
सर उमंग ने बोला था सर।
ओके, किसी ने बोला, कोई बात नहीं, B कर लो उसको। उसमें A नहीं है, B C D से स्टार्ट किया हम लोग, एबिचुअल में थोड़ा A B C के, इसलिए थोड़ा गड़बड़ होती है ना? तो ये क्लियर है आपको? B is new share, now C is new share will be equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Same share of A and B and C, sorry, will be 2 by 6. ठीक है? और उसका शेयर तो आपको दिया ही है, किसका? C का, D का। D is the new partner. D share is already given to us. D share, what share is given for D?
Third.
D share is 1 by 3. है ना? It is 1 by 3, so we have to multiply it by 2. So it will be 6 2 by 2. That means it will be 2 by 6. आगे में सो न्यू रेशो क्या आ गया सबका? न्यू रेशो इज इक्वल टू 1:1:1. This is the new ratio. All right. Any confusion? हाँ जी बोलिए, किसी को कंफ्यूजन था अभी इसमें? नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो। Sacrificing ratio will be calculated for all partners or old partners. Sairam?
For old
Sir,
partners.
Very good. No, so first old partner is B. B sacrifice is equal to, विश्वास फॉर्मूला क्या है sacrificing ratio का? विश्वास, what is the formula of sacrificing ratio?
Old minus new.
Okay, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of B is 3/4 है ना? B and C they are sharing in the 3:1 है ना? हाँ 3/4. Old ratio of B is 3/4 minus new ratio is 1/3. ठीक है? LCM कितना आएगा? 12. ठीक है? LCM will be how much? 3/4 into 1/3. 3 और 4 का LCM कितना आएगा? 12 आएगा. 4 3 या 12, 3 3 या 9. 9 minus
4.
4 है ना? 9 minus 4 is equal to 5/12. Sacrifice of B will be 5/12. Of sacrifice of C, C sacrifice is equal to C's old share was 1/4 minus new share is 1/3. क्या गड़बड़ हो गई? 1/4 ज्यादा होता है कि 1/3 ज्यादा होता है? Which is greater? 1/4 is greater or 1/3 is greater?
1/3.
1/3.
क्या हो गया? एलसीएम तो 12 ही आया. 4 3 या 12, 3 minus 4. अभी आपको बताया था उस समय मैंने, जब हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, तब बताया था जो हम निकालते हैं उसका अपोजिट अगर आ गया, अगर आप सैक्रिफाइस से निकाल रहे हैं और नेगेटिव आ गया तो क्या हो जाता है? वो अपोजिट हो जाएगा उसका. तो यहाँ हो गया 1/12 गेन. Is it right or not? सही राम? हाँ भाई बोलो कुछ.
Sir, correct.
करेक्शन है कुछ इसमें? ये ठीक है ना? सही है ना? आई एम नॉट श्योर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. आप देखो समझे, इतना समझ में आ गया सबको? तो यहाँ नेगेटिव आ गया आंसर है. 3 minus 4 हो गया तो -1/12 है. -1/12 मींस गेन हो गया, क्योंकि हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. तो अगर नेगेटिव आएगा तो गेन हो जाएगा. हम गेनिंग रेशियो निकाल रहे हैं और नेगेटिव आ गया तो क्या होगा? गेनिंग रेशियो अगर निकाल रहे हैं और नेगेटिव आया तो क्या होगा? सही राम? सैक्रिफाइसिंग.
Sir, question.
हाँ जी.
Sir, question repeat कर दीजिए.
क्वेश्चन लिखा ना ऊपर, देखो ये यहीं तो लिखा है आपके ऊपर. 3:1 का रेशियो है, बी और सी का पार्टनर है. डी 1/3 के लिए अपेयर किया. फ्यूचर में बी एंड सी ने
सर अभी क्या
क्या चीज?
सर अभी क्या पूछा था आपने?
मैंने अभी ये पूछा था कि अगर हम गेनिंग रेशियो निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो फिर जो है नेगेटिव अगर आंसर आ गया तो क्या होगा?
सैक्रिफाइस होगा सर अगर गेनिंग निकाल रहे हैं तो.
हाँ यही बोला ना. तो फिर वो सैक्रिफाइसिंग हो जाएगा. हम सैक्रिफाइसिंग निकाल रहे हैं, नेगेटिव आया तो गेनिंग हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? समझ में आया? इतना समझ में आ गया सबको? तो ये हमारे काम की चीज का ही है. इसका तो सैक्रिफाइस हुआ बी का 5/12 और सी का सैक्रिफाइस हुआ, सॉरी सी का गेन हो गया 1/12. अब ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस सेइंग इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट डी इज द न्यू पार्टनर, है ना? डी इज द न्यू पार्टनर फॉर हाउ मच शेयर? 1/3 शेयर, ठीक है, 1/3 शेयर एंड ही इज पेइंग, यानी सी है ना, एंड सी इज पेइंग ₹15,000 है ना, फॉर हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल। फिर समझ में आया सबको? इतना दिया क्वेश्चन में। अबे सी का शेयर दे कौन रहा है? सी को जो 1/3 शेयर मिला, हु इज गिविंग दिस शेयर टू सी? समझ में आपको? हु इज गिविंग द शेयर टू सी? बी दे रहा है, सॉरी डी को कौन दे रहा है? डी को कौन दे रहा है? बी दे रहा है या सी दे रहा है? कौन दे रहा है?
सर बी एंड सी।
सर
सी नहीं दे रहा, सी गिविंग नथिंग, बी, ओनली बी। और कितना शेयर दे रहा है? 1/3।
हाँ हाँ
और 1/3 के लिए वो कितना ला रहा है? 15,000। ठीक हुआ ना? ठीक है। अब यहाँ देखिए, सी इज ऑल्सो गेनिंग शेयर, सी को भी शेयर मिल रहा है, तो सी को जो शेयर मिल रहा है वो भी किससे मिला होगा इसको?
सर बी से।
सी भी गेन कर रहा है 20, है ना, तो उसको भी बी से मिला। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि बी सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है दोनों के लिए, डी के लिए भी और सी के लिए। तो डी तो दे रहा है अपना हिस्से के लिए 15,000, तो सी शुड पे और नॉट? सही राम? What I am trying to make it, यहाँ सी गेन कर रहा है तो सी विल ऑल्सो पे प्रीमियम, है ना। डी पे कर रहा है बिकॉज डी को प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, किससे मिल रहा है? बी से। अब सी को भी प्रॉफिट मिल गया यहाँ पर, तो सी विल पे फॉर हिज गेन, जितना गेन हुआ उसके लिए वो पे करेगा। टू बी, गेन किससे हुआ? बी से हुआ है, कितना पे करेगा? 15,000 लाया, किसके लिए? वो 15,000 ब्रॉड फॉर हाउ मच शेयर? 1/3। 15,000 इंटू 3/1, इसको रिवर्स कर दीजिए, रेसिप्रोकल को इक्वेशन बना के देखिए, मैथमेटिक्स का तो रिवर्स हो जाएगा ये, है ना। इफ द शेयर ऑफ गुडविल फॉर 1/3 is 15,000, then what will be the share for, what is the gain of C? That is 1/12 into 1/12, सॉल्व करो इसको, इज इक्वल टू कितना आ गया? सही राम?
सर 3750।
3750, okay, good, very good. 3750, this amount C will pay to B for his share which he has got from B, है ना। उसको जो गेन हुआ वो कहाँ से हुआ? B से हो गया, तो वो भी पेमेंट करेगा। तो अब एंट्री क्या होगी? देखिए, फर्स्ट एंट्री तो करेंगे आप कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, टाइम हो गया क्या? चल क्लासेस, ओके। तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 15,000 टू प्रीमियम अकाउंट, $15,000. This is the amount brought by B. Okay. Now second entry, number 2, premium account debit. Premium account debit, $15,000. The premium brought by D is 15,000. Now C is capital account debit. C will not bring anything in cash. It will be adjusted through capital accounts. So C is capital account debit. जो अभी आपने अमाउंट निकाला 3750 है ना. सी इज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 3750 and these both amount will be paid to whom? Both the amount will be paid to B, to B's capital account. Okay, that is 18,750, 18,750 being premium and premium transferred and adjustment for C's gain is made. ठीक है. So this is the solution of this question. Is it clear, Sairam? Aji, any doubt to anyone? अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. It's a good question. Sairam, भी है कोई मीटिंग में कि चले गए सर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है. हो गया कि आरसी कौन है? आरसी को लेने ये
आरसी
नियति
एब्सेंट है.
आरसी एब्सेंट है. नियति है क्या?
Yes, sir.
इज इट ऑल राइट? कुछ गड़बड़ है कि सही है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ भाई अनुराग.
यस सर.
ठीक है. तो अभी आप प्रैक्टिस करिए. इसमें कर सकते हैं ड्यू रेशियो निकालने के, सैक्रिफाइसिंग निकालने की और ये ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल की. नेक्स्ट क्लास जब होगी तो हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे आगे. ठीक है. बाय दैट टाइम आई एम स्टॉपिंग रिकॉर्डिंग. सो यू स्टॉपिंग शेयरिंग and coming back to the meeting. Okay, so let us have Shanti part before leaving the class. Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam, you can leave now.
रिकॉर्ड